Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. It's 3-valve Wednesday, and today we have an 07 GT manual tranny that received an E4 supercharger, among some other mods. We're going to watch that dyno pull. We're going to check out the engine compartment. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notified, stay up to date. Doug's with me. Let's go check it out. All right, before we watch that dyno pull, Doug, come down here and take a look. 07 GT, 93 octane. Our Brenspeed package, E4 supercharger. You get 3.5 pulley, Stita air induction system, 41-pound fuel injectors, Coulter spark plugs, booster pump. This is available for mail order. He did opt for the coil covers on this. And it also has a set of pipes, long tube headers, Detroit rocker camshafts, and that's the secret recipe for this car, laying down about 470 plus real world horsepower. Check out this dyno pull. All right, couple things. Hey, maybe you're new to this channel. I'll put a link at the end. How much power is too much power on a stock engine 3-valve Mustang? This is right where we want to be. DynoJet SAE smoothing 5 rear wheel, 479 real horsepower, coming in at 6,600 RPM. Torque perfect, 450 to the tire, peaking at 4,800. Doug, look at that graph right there. I love it. And this is a super clean 3-valve. It's amazing. We get these in all the time. I know a lot of them out there are higher miles. Maybe you have a higher mile one and you're like, man, do I have too many miles? I will also put a link to a video at the end of this. It's kind of like the top 5 questions if you want to get a blower. How many miles or too many miles? Watch that. That'll answer your questions. But here you go. 93 octane, manual tranny, cool car. Hey, we're in Indiana. Email quote@brenspeed.com. What's this cost to get installed? And everything you just looked at can be shipped right to your door, as well as the calibration. Install it at home, put it on, good to go. Thanks for watching.